I actually don't have time to make this video, but I'm going to do it because I know it's going to help some people out there who are majorly frustrated. If you got yourself an external SSD like I got right here from SanDisk, but they don't mount, if it's not mounting to your Apple computer, here is how to do it. All right, so if you've already tried everything else, if you've tried different cables, if you've tried making sure that your laptop is up to date, all that stuff, right? And nothing ordinary is working, this is probably what's happened, is it's lost the index or whatever it exactly is. And here is the solution. All you need is a USB-C cable, and we're not gonna plug it in right here, because you'll see in disk utility, it's actually in disk utility, it's just simply not mounting. And all you have to do, besides having this cable, you also need an iPhone with a USB-C, or you need an iPad with a USB-C. Simply plug it in here. And now what this is going to do is try to read the disk, and therefore it's going to rewrite those indexes properly. Alright, so I'm going to show you exactly how I did it on the computer. First, I went ahead and I unplugged it from my computer. So you can see it disappear there from disk utility. Now, just plugged it into my iPhone and then plugged it back in, and you see, oh, it didn't work that first time. Still not mounted. So it notices it, but doesn't mount. I'm going to pull it back out, stick it on my iPhone again, and now stick it back in, and let's see if it reads it this time. Takes a little bit, and there it is, 2025 SSD, and now it's mounted.
Oh yeah.
I've had to do this several times before in order to get this to mount again on here. Now it's fixed. I really hope that this quick fix has helped some of you guys out there. If so, write down into the comments, and I wish you a good day. Bye now.